How to save photos and videos to your phone gallery. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are using an Android or an iPhone, saving photos and videos that you take with your Instagram camera is really easy. Just follow my steps and watch the video until the end so that you don't make any mistakes. At first, open the Instagram application on your mobile phone. And then click on your profile picture icon in the bottom of your screen. When you get to your Instagram profile, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. And this menu with the bunch of options will show up. And here you want to tap on this archiving and downloading. This will open a couple of Instagram options for saving stories to the archive, saving lives and others. But we have to make sure that this Save Original Photos is enabled. In that way, we will save the original photos and videos that we record from our Instagram camera directly to our gallery. But keep in mind, there is a limitation to this. If you add some stickers, filters, and music to your photos and videos and share them, then Instagram will save the raw photos and videos to your gallery, but won't save the filter or music that you applied to it. But don't worry, guys. There is one way if you want to save everything. I suggest you to open the control center and start screen recording or take a screenshot. After that, you crop the photos and videos in the gallery, and you will have your photo and video with all the filters and music attached in it. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with other problem-solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.